Well done. Again, point of this question, like all of them in this clip list, well, most of the clips, is not to teach you how to do the maths, it's to teach you how to answer the exam question, to make sure you're getting maximised marks. If there's a bit of technique you're not sure at, you need to revise that from somewhere else, or email me to make you a video. Now we are doing November 24, paper 2H, question 20. And this is a quadratic simultaneous equations, and I love quadratic simultaneous equations. I think it's one of these things that is quite therapeutic in a way as a maths teacher. I quite like doing it and stuff like that. So give your solution to 3 significant figures. That already tells me I know I'm most probably going to need the quadratic formula. So I'm going to need to write out what y squared is. So if y is, y is 7 minus 2x, so y squared is going to be 49 minus 28x plus 4x squared. So, using the first equation, making this equal to 0. That won't factorise because the clue was in the question. So using minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Put my numbers on my thingy, and then I'm just going to make my calculator look like that. Make my calculator look like that, and then I get 28 plus or minus the square root of 604 over 2. So I have one value of x, which is equal to 26.3, and using y equals 7 minus 2x, that will give me minus 45.6. So one of my solutions is x equals 26.3, y equals 46.4, or my second solution, when x equals 1.71, y equals 7 minus 2x, so y will equal 3.58. So, or x equals 1.71, y equals 3.58. They are my 2 solutions. Right, quite straightforward, especially if you can use your calculator for the quadratic formula. Well, and you're good at that, which again is a grade 6, 7 skill that I'd expect you to be able to do if you're aiming for that 7. Right. Now, this one, have a look. What was the first thing I did? Yeah. So what is y squared? So what do I do with this in the first equation? Correct. Ooh. A little mistake. Did it going too fast? Corrected it. So I've now got 7x squared. Take 48x plus 59 equals 0. What do I do with that? I know my answer is correct to 3 significant figures, so yep. That gives me x equals 48 plus or minus square root of 652 over 14. So I have one value of x, which is 5.25, to 3 significant figures, which will give me y equals 8 minus 3x. Y equals minus 7.76. Or I have x equals 1.60 to three significant figures, with y equals 8 minus 3x, so y equals 3.19. So I have my two answers of x equals 5.25 and y equals minus 7.76, or x equals 1.60, y equals 3.19. Now, again, remember, click subscribe to the videos. Go to the question, find the question, the website, and do the two supplementary questions where you will see